Yo, what the deal, YouTube? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And this video right here is another ASR 10 video, man. I know y'all like them joints right there. So I'm going to show y'all one of them joints right now. I'm going to show y'all how to quickly chop drums on an ASR 10. But before we get into it, man, I want to remind y'all to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. If you love this video right here, man, and this video helps you right here, definitely don't forget to show me some love, man. You know what I'm saying? Also, this video is sponsored by waxyard.com. Use the code down below. Get you 10% off the Waxyard E18 condenser microphone, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, without further ado, we're going to get right into it. So look, we already got the samples in there, you know what I'm saying? We're going to use a drum loop. Y'all probably recognize it, you know what I'm saying? We're going to use that drum loop. And I'm going to show y'all how to chop the drums up like real quick, you know what I mean? So look, that's pretty much how you do it. So when you got the sample loaded in and you pick where you want it to be and everything like that, you want to tab over. Mine is already there, but you want to press layer, which is the number 9 on the keyboard. You want to press layer, but mine is already on pitch table. But we want to go over till you see pitch table. You know what I'm saying? You can tab over or you can keep pressing layer until you see that. But then once you get there, you know what I'm saying, you want to switch it to no pitch. And what that does, that puts the same, like that puts the sample all across the board, but it doesn't change the pitch at all. You know what I'm saying? No pitch, basically. So once you do that, you want to go over to wave. You know what I'm saying? And then you want to tab over or press 8 until you get over to, this is one screen you want to be at here, but we're not going to mess with that yet. We're going to, well, actually, we do want to mess with this one first. So we're going to scroll until we get to start on the mod, and then over on press, we're going to scroll over or arrow over, and we're going to go until we see keyboard. There we go, right there. So start, keyboard, right? Now, this screen right here, this is what's going to chop it. It's going to use the modulator to actually chop the drum. So look, check it out. You can scroll all the way up there, bring the range all the way down to 2. And you can play with it. Like I can go over here and change this start of the sample point. You know, to get it like exactly where I want it. You know what I mean? You can definitely change the parameters. You can also change the pitch. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. If this video helped y'all, man, I love doing these ASR 10 videos. I love doing these videos in general, man. So, you know what I mean? If y'all love them too, you know what I'm saying? Show me some love, man. You know what I mean? It's your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm out, y'all. Peace.